Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how you can go ahead and use Fliki in its full potential. In this video, we are going to discuss the features, how you can use Fliki, and how you can integrate it into your YouTube channel. Now first things first, what is Fliki? Fliki is a video editing software that you can go ahead and use to simply edit out your text. You can go ahead and input text into this AI right here and it will turn that text into a whole edited video. And then you can modify the video the way you want to. So first things first, you want to head over to the official website of Fliki, which is fliki.ai. And inside Fliki, of course, you will then be prompted to the login page. In my case, I already have my account logged in inside right here. So this is the window that it will show me. Now once inside, I have this previous history creations right here. But in your case, you want to go ahead and click on the new file at the top of your screen. And inside new file, we then have the categories right here that you want to create. For example, if you want to transfer your text into a whole video, you can then go ahead and click on the video section right here. As you can go ahead and see, we have create videos for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, marketing, product ads, and more. So you can just go ahead and make vertical videos if you want to, or you can go ahead and create your own long form YouTube videos. We also have our audio formats right here, which is voiceovers, audiobooks, podcasts, and more. And lastly, we have designs. Before we proceed, I'm going to show you on what you can expect on using Fliki. So this is one of my creations right here. You can just go ahead and click on the play button to go ahead and watch your creations.
Back in ancient China, being short meant you couldn't be arrested. Emperor Qin Shi Huang, only 4 feet 11 inches tall, made a rule. You had to be as tall as him to be considered grown up. But watch out, crying was forbidden for men, it was seen as weak. If caught, your beard and eyebrows got shaved. Women had it weird too. Before marriage, they have to cry for an hour daily for a month, joined by family.
So as you can see, Fliki has presented me with a high quality edited video right here that I can go ahead and use for my TikTok or YouTube channel. Now to proceed, you want to go ahead and click on new file, select the video format that you want to use, and inside you have your file name. In my case, I'll go ahead and put example right here. You have your language. Of course, you want to go ahead and choose English. You have the dialect of the video. You can just go ahead and choose the way you want to, and you have the aspect ratio. Now if you want to create a short form content, which is the vertical content, you can just go ahead and click on the portrait preset right here. But if you want to develop a high long YouTube format, you can just go ahead and choose the landscape option. And lastly, you have the start with. This is one of the most important thing that we have right here. For example, you have your idea, you can just go ahead and type your prompt. For example, you have a prompt like top 10 facts about a country or top 10 facts about men, and Fliki will try to create that prompt. Or if you want to go ahead and customize this even further, you can go ahead and choose between the blogs, PPT, tweet, products, and more. In my case, I'll go ahead and use script right here because we are going to integrate ChatGPT while making our Fliki video. Click on submit. And for the next window, we have our script right here. In my case, I'll go ahead and use this page right here to create a script for our YouTube video. So I'll just go ahead and copy the link for this video and paste it to ChatGPT. Right after that, I'll just go ahead and type create a YouTube video script about this link. So in my case, I have this script right here. I'll just go ahead and copy the entire script and paste it to Fliki where we can go ahead and transform it into a video. You want to paste your script right here. You have your stock media. You can go ahead and use video or image if you want to. In my case, I'll go ahead and use a video right here. You have your AI media, auto-generate videos or images using AI for scenes. And for the next one, you have your templates. various custom templates with advanced animations. You can just go ahead and click on the presets right here to choose the templates the way you want to. In my case, I'm not going to use any templates, and you have your AI avatar. If you want to put an AI avatar into your video right here, you can just go ahead and do so. So if you click on it, click on the avatar section right here, you can then go ahead and put an avatar video or an AI character in your video. You can just go ahead and choose between the multiple presets that they have right here. But in my case, I'll just go ahead and use the bare minimum right here, which is just the video. You have your branding, and lastly, you have the more section. After editing the whole template right here, you can just go ahead and click on submit, and this is where Fliki will shine. And so right after generating our video, we can then go ahead and see this menu right here. For the first one, you can then go ahead and change the background audio of your video if you do not like the presets that they have right here. You can just go ahead and click on this button. It is the background audio. And they have a lot of musics right here that you can go ahead and choose from. For the second one, you have your volume right here. You can go ahead and modify this to your own preference. You have your subtitles, audio phase, and more. Now, to proceed, you have the auto pick background audio right here if you wish to do that. In my case, I'll just go ahead and click on it, and as you can go ahead and see, it will automatically change the background audio. But for copyright purposes, I'll just go ahead and remove my background audio right here. For the second one, you have your first scene. To modify your first scene, you can just go ahead and click on the scene right here, and inside you have your script. You can edit this if you find something wrong in your subtitles, and just right below that you have your media. So we have the timeline of this media right here. For example, with our first media, we will have this media be playing till the 8 seconds of the video. For the second one, it will then go ahead and play for the 8 to 14 seconds of the video. And lastly, we have this one. So if we go ahead and play it, you can then go ahead and see the order of our media right here.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Typical male personality types. Whether you're trying to understand,
And so if you wish to edit this video right here, just like on our background music, you can then go ahead and click on the auto pick media to change this medias right here. I'll just go ahead and try it out, and as you can go ahead and see, it will automatically pick our media depending on the script. And to change this manually, you can just go ahead and click on this button right here, and then this menu will show up. You can then go ahead and search between the stock library, your own library, generate your own, and more. If you want to generate your own AI media, you can just go ahead and type your prompt right here. But to make things easier, I'll just go ahead and use the auto pick section. You can modify this the way you want to. You have your first, second, and third media. And at the other side of your screen, you then have the full customization of this scene right here. For this specific media, you have your height with top length, rotate, and your fit. You have your border radius, the opacity of this specific media, the volume, and more. If you wish to animate this media, we then have the right to do so. You have your in animation, so you have the fade in effect, you have the zoom out effect, and more. You have the duration and the delay. You also have the effects right here if you wish to put some effects in your video. I'll just go ahead and click on it and add a random effects into our video. You have the change direction, change timing, click to hide effect, and the delete or removed effect. You have the timing of this specific effect. You can time this the way you want to, and you also have the trim media if you wish to shorten this specific media right here. In my case, I'm fine with the 14-second right here. Right after that, you can now go ahead and proceed with the second media and edit this the way you want to. But basically, to make things easier, you want to choose this script right here. You have your font size, your font, and everything that you wish to edit this font right here. I'll just go ahead and choose random styles of our subtitles, and right after that, you can just go ahead and apply all of these changes that we have made by clicking on the apply to all scenes button. Now click on apply to confirm your changes, and all of the changes that we have made will be applied to all of our subtitles. And to change the voiceover of this scenes, you can just go ahead and navigate through the voiced overs right here. Click on your voiced over, and from here we have a lot of presets. You can just go ahead and choose your own voice if you want to. Basically, that is everything inside our Fliki right here. You can modify this the way you want to, edit images, edit subtitles, and more. But basically, right after editing your whole video, you can then go ahead and click on the download button right here to download your video, choose your resolution, and you will be able to post this video onto your YouTube channel or TikTok without any problem. And as you can go ahead and see, without even knowing how to edit, I have managed to create this video using Fliki. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.